Welcome to PPT Demos. So today we are going to see how to create a dripping effect like this using Microsoft PowerPoint presentation. So for that, first of all, we need a blank slide. Now in the blank slide, I'm going to use this image. So here I am going to use this green hoodie. So now I'm going to double click on this image. Okay, now I'll go to the remove background and I'm going to adjust the frame like this. Okay, perfect. But here this part is also not visible, so I'm going to mark it. Alright, perfect. Now keep changes. Now in the next step, I'm going to crop this image. So let's crop it till here. Alright, now in the next step, we are going to press the Ctrl D to make the exact copy of the image. Here we go. Now here, again I'm going to crop this image and this time I'm going to use this part. Okay. So like this, I'm going to use this part. I'm going to press crop button again. Now I'm going to press the right click on my mouse and I'm going to save as picture. Alright, and I'm going to click save. Okay, now I'm going to delete this image as I don't need it. Now in the next step, I will go to the insert tab, we'll go to the shapes, and in the shapes I'm going to use this freeform scribble. Now look here carefully. Now I am going to create a dripping effect using this scribble. Okay, so drag down, create a dribble effect. Here. So slowly. Here we go. Now I'm going to leave my mouse button here. Now the shape outline of this shape is going to be no outline. Okay, and now I'm going to fill some color. So instead of filling some color, I'm going to choose this option, that is picture fill. So I'll open the picture fill from a file, browse, and in the browse I'm going to use this image. Perfect. As you can see, adjust it a little bit. Like this. And now by pressing the Ctrl key, I'm going to select this image also. And now I'm going to press the Ctrl G